Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and welcome back for another process video. If you guys are not caught up recently, I am currently guest designing for Mini Kit Mondays. So the kit I'm using today is from the Mini Kit Monday inspiration and collaboration. So be sure to tune in every Monday for another video using this kit and featuring the lovely Mini Kit Monday ladies. So I'm using a lot of Webster's pages in this kit. And this was the first layout I completed with it. I have to upload a couple of them out of order, but I'm still using the same supplies and the items I pulled together for this kit. So I'll have the kit share link down below so you guys can check it out and check out all the other lovely Mini Kit Monday ladies. But today I'm just doing a Disney process video. Now you may be thinking, Caitlin, that's so great. You're already working on your 2016 Disney album like you wanted to. Hold up, this is not 2016 photos. We recently moved to Florida, if you guys didn't know, so we are now Disney annual pass holders, and I had some recent photos I wanted to scrapbook about Disney, only because I was really excited about them. And guys, this paper, this background paper from Webster's Pages, totally reminds me of the Epcot ball, as well as the purple wall in Magic Kingdom, which I don't have any pictures in front of, but I know a lot of you do. And this is a New Day collection from Webster's Pages. The 6x6 I'm using here are from, I believe, the Dear Lizzie Lucky Charm paper pad. I had pulled together those in my kit, and again, you can find out more information in the kit video. But I trimmed down my photos and got to matting them on these pinks. So this ends up not being a purple heavy layout like I anticipated it to be, because the kit that I made didn't have a ton of purple in it. So I really had to find alternate routes for color in this, because obviously there's a lot of color in the photos. This was during Flower and Garden, so the left photo is the entrance to Flower and Garden, and the right photo is when we were waiting at rope drop underneath the ball to go into the park. So I'm holding the pamphlet up, and this was our second Flower and Garden ever. The first one where it was really nice weather, but this was the festival that was going on when we moved to Florida, so we went a couple of times to go experience that, and it's just so pretty and probably one of my favorites. Now, I have scrapbooked a little bit of the Flower and Garden Festival before from a previous trip. I think that was 2017 that I scrapbooked that. But in 2016, we did not go to Epcot, so I don't have to use this Epcot paper, that I call it, on anything in my 2016 album. So I might try to go find something else, but they didn't have the purple wall back then, and I'm trying to think if this could work for a ride. Maybe some Buzz Lightyear photos if I have any. But I'm still working through my cruise section of my album, so this kit wasn't particularly pertaining to that goal, but I'm still having a really good time with it. I'm pulling in some die cuts from the My Mind's Eye blush collection, some beautiful pinks, some puffy stickers from the Paige Evans Whimsical collection. I have that butterfly on that cut apart from Webster's Pages, a Fun Times banner on the left photo, and then a little floral on the right photo. So we're getting a bunch of puffy stickers in here, which I really love. And I just think this layout came together quickly because I managed to figure out what I wanted quickly. When it comes to titles, I struggle a lot, but I love using pre-made ones. So this one says Life is Good, which is perfect. You know, it's the start of our annual pass, essentially. This was when we were gung-ho about Disney and really just going as much as we could while we had some free time, you know, after moving. To add a little punch of purple and a little bit more Epcot theme, I have this washi tape in my kit that is from Me and My Big Ideas that I pulled out. And it's just a purple, it's like the same exact design but purple. Now I really thought I'd go with it, but it didn't add enough of a punch. It kind of just blended in with the background. So I ended up going with the pink one from the same set. Again, those are from Me and My Big Ideas, or Mambi if you call them that. And I tucked that at the top and the bottom, and it helps bring in that pop of pink. Now, I think that generally this is a neutral layout. I bring in the craft, and then I bring in a couple spots of teal and hot pink. Now, hot pink's not something I work with a lot, so I put in a bunch of it on this layout just so I could get it down and out and over with, because I really don't work with it too often. But I really enjoy how it came out and how that pop of color helps bring in the pop of pink in the photos. There are a couple like pink flowers in the left-hand photo. I know it's kind of hard to tell because it's a further away photo, but I also think the pink plays really well with the bright blue skies. Guys, those are like the epitome of Florida skies. Those are just clear blue skies. So beautiful. So here I'm starting to glue everything down. Now this little tab here actually says weekend on it, and I did have to look up the date, but it was a weekend that we went. I think it was a Sunday. So that was really nice to tuck that in. And again, we have some pops of teal because there's teal in the pocket page card I'd cut out, and I put that piece of teal on each photo, and then there's 3 spots of it there. And I would say there's teals in the pictures as well. They're just a little bit harder to see. Now for a little bit more dimension and interest, I pull out some resin flowers. These seem to be a big trend back in the day, maybe 1 or 2 years ago, but I'm still in love with them. I know they add a lot of bulk to albums, so I understand why people don't love them so much, because they are thick and they are chunky. But I ended up doing some clusters of these, and I finally used these bright hot pink ones that I've had forever from Freckled Fawn. I also had, they came with pink and yellow in a different shape, and I've used the yellow ones quite a while ago because they're like a mustard yellow, very pretty. But these pink ones I had not used, and I was like, I need to use them because this pink works well on this layout. Now you just saw me using tweezers on one of them. I actually had to get, there's an extra piece of plastic stuck in one of them. I stored all my resin flowers together, so I assume a piece broke off another one, fell into the crevice, and I couldn't get it out. So I ended up just, working with it and finally getting that out with my tweezers. And I added some peach ones and some mint ones as well to my flower clusters. But overall, this layout is, pretty much as you see it. It's pretty much good to go. I do want to add a couple more things. I find that the final embellishments are what really help it pull together for me, and I don't know if that's just a me thing, but I started pulling in a couple more pieces to get more pops of craft, more pops of pink, and I did want to put the date on there somewhere because I did write down the date on that post-it note up there, and I'm trying really hard to date my layouts as I go, if there is one on the back, because if you guys know me, I'm infamous for not journaling and not dating for years after I've completed a layout, so definitely wanted to do that so I can get that done and I'll be able to journal on it quickly and put it into an album. Now, if any of you guys travel to Disney quite a lot, let me know what you guys do for your scrapbooking plans. Now that we're annual pass holders, I take tons of photos, and I'm not sure if I want to document them in my regular albums or if I want to do a specific Disney album while we're annual pass holders. I'd love to know your thoughts down below. I know not a lot of people are, Floridians, but I'd still love to know your ideas if you have any, or if you have something that you do a lot, but that is still special, and how you document that. I did look through my enamel dots to see if there's anything I wanted to add, but I didn't find any colors I fancied, so this is the end result. A nice pink, teal, little pops of purple layout. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here are the close-ups. As you can see, those resin flowers are so pretty. I think they look so unique and perfect for the Flower and Garden Festival. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I used my sticker book, I used my Webster's Pages stuff, and this was the first layout I created with my kit, and it was perfect. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and turn on the notification bell if you're interested in seeing every upload. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!